Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this guide, we're going to show you how to easily become a driver on Uber. So the very first thing you have to make sure to do is simply check if you meet the basic requirements, which are be at least 21 years old, have at least 1 year of licensed driving experience, or 3 years if you're under 25. Then also make sure to own a valid driver's license and provide proof of residence in your city or state. And finally, make sure you have access to a four-door vehicle that meets Uber's requirements, or you can also plan to rent one. So after all these requirements are checked, you then have to gather your driver's license, your car registration, proof of insurance that's in your name, and lastly, a profile photo. So make sure this is a clear forward-facing picture of you without wearing any sunglasses. So once that's all done, you can then head over to the website at uber.com or simply download the Uber Driver app. Then go ahead and create an account by providing your email, phone number, and personal details. Uber will then conduct a background check to ensure your driving record meets their safety standards. You also need to provide your social security number and consent to the check. And if you plan to use your own vehicle, it will need to pass a vehicle inspection to ensure it's in safe operating condition. So simply visit an approved Uber inspection location, or you can also provide proof of a recent inspection. So keep in mind, some locations may require new drivers to complete online educational modules that cover safety, app usage, and customer service. So once you're fully approved, you can then download the Uber Driver app, log into your account, and you'll then be able to manage your trips, see earnings, and track customer requests. And once your account is active and you've set up payment, you're now ready to start making money with Uber. So simply go online and start accepting ride requests. So that's simply how to do it. I hope you found that insightful, and if you did, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.